right, I hope everyone's doing great today. My name's Alex. I'm here with American Bookkeeping Services. And today I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account to your QuickBooks Online account. So directly in, this is very useful for just making it easier on yourself. So you can see here we have our dashboard. We can come over here to transactions and we can click on bank transactions. So there's a dialog here and we can just click connect account. Alright, so then once it loads, what we can do is type in our bank. Okay. Click continue. And then it will open up a dialog for you to sign in. So you can put your password in and it just goes straight through your bank. Okay. Now we can click on the particular accounts, which ones we want to link from that financial institution. Click authorize, and so then we'll just go back to QuickBooks Online, and then it will connect to your account. Click connect. Okay, which accounts do you want to connect? We'll connect to checking. It will ask you for how long will it pull from in the past. So this is the past year since January 1st, 2024. So you have different options, right? So we'll just leave it at that. Okay, great. So it was, and then survey, submit. Okay, and then we can see our bank feed will now, for this particular financial institution and this particular account, will sync with our QuickBooks, and now we will be able to match transactions from our bank account with what we have in QuickBooks. So it just makes your life a lot easier. I recommend doing this for as many accounts as you have. Just make your life a little bit easier. So thanks for tuning in. My name is Alex with American Bookkeeping Services. Excited to keep making more of these tutorials and help you guys get a better understanding of your books. So thanks, and see you next time.